Thank you for tuning in to G7 Sports. Well, I'm just out a little later than I would like to be. But you see, I got my poles set up. I got one right there, about a dock real close there. That's for them big catfish just laying around, ain't got nothing to do. I want to get a little meal. I like to catch me a nice catfish. I could have that for supper. I did catch this little rock bass right here. The sandwich size. If I was hungry, at least I could eat a little bit today. Thank you for tuning in G7 Sports. Beautiful out here.